Want to know how to unspam messages on Messenger on Android? Sometimes when an unknown person or someone not on your friend list tries to message you, their messages automatically gets filtered into a spam or message requests folder. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move those messages back to your main inbox so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started without any delay. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap the messenger icon in the top right corner, or simply go to the messages section if you're already in Messenger. Tap message requests. Within message requests, you'll see a tab or section for spam. Tap on it. Open the conversation you want to unspam. Simply reply to the message. Once you reply, the chat will automatically move from your spam folder to your main inbox, and future messages from that person should arrive there directly. Important tips. Remember, if you block the person, you won't see their messages again at all. Always be careful with spam messages that include suspicious links or contents. Don't click on anything you don't trust. And that's how you can unspam a message on Facebook Messenger quicker and easily. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tap the bell icon for more helpful Messenger tutorials. Thanks for watching.